What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and welcome back to another Customs with Casso. And the sneaker that's on the chopping block today is a pair of Travis Scott 1s. And what I'm going to do with these sneakers are I'm taking off this backward swoosh. I'm going to put a little cactus swoosh in its place. So this is going to be a simple, easy custom. And where I got these swooshes from, and you can get other swooshes as well, is off Instagram. His name is Herb Juice or something like that. I'll double check. If anything, I'll put it down in the description. So check in the description so y'all can get the right information, because I'll be having a hard time remembering it. But what you're gonna need is the sneaker, of course, an X-Acto knife to cut the swoosh off. They have different type of patches. The type of patch I got is an iron-on patch. So I have my mini iron with my parchment paper. Mini iron's heating up right now. Then what I'm gonna do first, after I cut the swoosh off, is I'm gonna put a little bit of super glue through the middle of it. Then put it on. Then heat it up so it could be perfect. Perfect. So, like I said, without any further ado, let's cut this swoosh off. Alright, I know where I'm going to start. Alright, just like that, the swoosh is removed. Next thing I'm going to do is just use a little acetone just to knock off the excess gunk that's under there. Then I'm going to put the swoosh on, place it down, lace these up with some I don't know where they are, but I got some custom laces made for these. Then they'll be ready to rock. So let me just acetone these off real quick. Then we're ready to start the next step of the process. Alright, and just like that, all that gunk is off the side of it. So like I said, I'm gonna add a little bit of super glue down just the middle, little parts of it, just to have that extra protection on it. Find a location, slap that on, and put that iron to it. Alright, so this is gonna be the last cut and the video should be over. Alright, one more cut of me just adding these two together. So just like that. My trick's not working. Be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the swoosh is placed on it. Now what I'm going to do, since my iron is all heated up, place my parchment paper over it like so, at the same time being safe, making sure not to burn myself with the iron, then just going over the swoosh with the hot iron. And yes, I'm pretty sure you can use a normal size iron, but how would that look? You trying to do this with a normal size iron. So you might as well not even try it. And I'm not gonna just show this part while I'm just pressing down over it, because it's just boring. So I'm gonna be back when this is just done and show y'all guys, so we can do the before and after, and let me know what you think. Alright, and just like that, the sneaker is done. As you can see, I already placed this and I laced them up with the little custom Cactus Jack face laces. So, sneaker's done. Now I just gotta work on this one. Which one do you think you guys like better? Now I just gotta work on this one. We're gonna be done. Then I can actually wear them. I'll put everything down in the description where I got this swoosh and the laces from. I think I remember where I got the laces. I had these for a while, but I'll try to put them down in the description. And just like that, thanks for watching another video. You could probably see more pictures over there on my Instagram. That's Fab Casso as well. That is all one word, FABCASSO. And thanks again. I'm out of here. Peace.